Hello dear students. In this video we will talk about the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, their structure is proposed by two types of models. This model, which is known as sandwich model, proposed by Daniel and Davson, it is earlier explained by me. Now we will talk about the another model of the plasma membrane, which is known as fluid mosaic model of the plasma membrane, which was proposed by Singer and Nicholson. Now question is that rise sandwich model why not accepted? This sandwich model is not accepted because look here, because this is the diagrammatic representation of the plasma membrane, and in this plasma membrane have tendency to pass the fat soluble molecules from one portion to another portion by this manner. But this plasma membrane have not tendency to transfer the different types of water molecule from this part to that part, one part to another part. Why reason? Reason is that because these all are phospholipid bilayer molecules, and we know that these phospholipid biomolecules are made up of two types of fatty acid chains, and these all types of fatty acid chains are hydrophobic. It means they act as like a water repellent. सो दे हैव नॉट, ये क्या करती हैं, जब जब भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स यहाँ से अंदर को आते हैं तो ये क्या होती है, ये वाटर हाइड्रोफोबिक है, तो ये वाटर को अंदर नहीं जाने देती, जिसके थ्रू क्या होता है, वाटर हैव नॉट टेंडेंसी टू पास फ्रॉम दिस एरिया. So this model, sandwich model, was not accepted by the scientist. After that, there were two types of scientists in that time, and these scientists are Singer and Nicholson. Singer and Nicholson proposed the fluid mosaic model. What is new in this model? Have a look. Mostly things are same, just like the Daniel and Davson model, but there are different types of extra things are present here, which are proposed by Singer and Nicholson. What are they? Have a look. They said that the protein, which is known as alpha globular protein, it is found in a two types of categories: extrinsic protein and intrinsic protein. And extrinsic protein or intrinsic proteins, where they found? Have a look. This is the diagrammatic representation of the plasma membrane, which was proposed by the Singer and Nicholson. This diagram is related to the fluid mosaic model. Where are the alpha globular proteins, which are divided into two types of categories: extrinsic protein and intrinsic proteins? We know that these all are the phospholipid molecules, or these phospholipid molecules head part have got the extrinsic protein. This is the extrinsic protein here, and the extrinsic protein is also here. After that, this extrinsic protein have tendency, it always present the outside of the phospholipid head. These are the phospholipid head, and they are loosely arranged here. After that, the intrinsic protein is embedded into the phospholipid bilayer. जो इंट्रेंसिक प्रोटीन होती है वो पूरी तरह से क्या होती है, फॉस्फोलिपिड बायलेयर में धसी रहती है. दिस इज द मेन थिंग. दिस इज नोन एज इंट्रेंसिक प्रोटीन, विच इज एक्ट एज लाइक अ चैनल प्रोटीन. ये चैनल प्रोटीन की तरह भी काम करती है. नाउ प्रोटीन इज डिवाइड इनटू टू टाइप्स ऑफ कैटेगरीज बाय द सिंगर एंड निकोल्सन इन फ्लूइड मोज़ेक मॉडल. नाउ सेकंड थिंग, Singer and Nicholson also divide the phospholipid molecules in two types of categories. Two types of movement. Phospholipid molecules show two types of movements: transition movements and flip-flop movement. What is the meaning of these two movements? Have a look. First of all, we talked about the transition movement. What is the transition movement? Transition movement means the movement of the phospholipid molecules in same layer. These are the phospholipid molecules. We know that they have head, phospholipid glycerol head, and the fatty acid chain. These all types of phospholipid molecules have tendency, these molecules can easily move from this portion to that portion. It means suppose these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, till then 7 the phospholipid molecules are present here. They can easily change their particular place. सपोज 1 जो है वो 2 की जगह पर आ सकता है, 2 3 की जगह पर आ सकता है, 3 जो है वो 1 की जगह पर आ सकता है. So this type of movement is known as transition movement, but it is present in the same layer. Another types of movement is known as flip-flop movement, and this movement of the phospholipid molecules is found in a different layers. Different layers, for example, the different layer is represented by the A, B, C, D. These are the phospholipid molecules till then G. So what is flip-flop movement? Flip-flop movements means this 2 can settle here and this B can settle in the place of 2. यानी ये अपनी जगह की अदला बदली कर सकते हैं. This one. In this way, the movement phospholipid molecules can change their particular places in different layers. This is known as flip-flop movement. Now, after these both types of changes, in the case of theory of the plasma membranes structure, now what is the why this model is accepted by the scientists? Question is that arise. Here we have the important points. Whenever the this plasma membrane, we know that this plasma membrane have tendency to, it can easily transfer the all types of fat molecules from one part to the another part. There are no boundation or the obstacles or hindrances present here. But for the water molecules, these are the main obstacles or hindrance, which are known as tail-like structure, fatty acid tail. These fatty acid tail-like structures are barred or they are act as like a obstacle. Because these, we know that these all types of fatty acid tail-like structures are hydrophobic, and these hydrophobic means they are water repellent. यानी ये वाटर को यहाँ से अंदर जाने ही नहीं देंगे, इस पोर्शन से अंदर जाने ही नहीं देंगे. Clear? So for to solve this types of problem, here we have the a specific protein which is known as intrinsic protein. This intrinsic protein act as like a channel for the water molecules, and from here the water molecules can easily transfer from one part to the another part, one portion to the another portion of the plasma membrane. That's why this Flues-Mosaik model was accepted by the scientists, and it is also present in the NCERT. This is known as Flues-Mosaik model. Why this is known as Flues-Mosaik model? At last, the Singhal and Nicholson, they proposed that our model is like protein iceberg in a sea of lipids. Protein iceberg in a sea of lipids means we know that जो iceberg होते हैं वो समुद्र के पानी में तैरते रहते हैं. So these all types of extrinsic proteins are act as like a iceberg, and the phospholipid bilayer, this lipid portion is act as like a seawater. So this is seawater, it act as like a liquid, and these all types of extrinsic protein have tendency, they can easily float from the one part to the another part here. That's why this whole model is known as Flues-Mosaik model, which was proposed by Singer and Nicholson.